Choose your favorite one. It's checkup day. Airplane. Hello. How can I help you? I want to go on a trip, but I don't know where to go. Can you help me pick a destination? United Kingdom, Indonesia, Japan. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Passengers, please open the window shade. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in the United Kingdom shortly. Wow! I want to go to that museum! Download starting. You can play soon. Visitors, our museum is having a treasure hunt. Go find the hidden treasures. Drag Kiki to look for treasure chests. Is there a treasure chest here? Oh, wow! It's a sticker! Let's put them on the postcard. Put them on the postcard now. There you go. That's a nice postcard. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. passengers. We will arrive in Indonesia shortly. I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's go somewhere else. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. Here's the meal. I'm done eating. I like the food. Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly. This is a great place for a hot spring bed.